are here today in the best cooking show on the planet. Today we're going to learn how to make fruit salad. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Who's ever had fruit salad before?
Yeah, me.
You had fruit salad?
Yeah.
You had fruit salad?
Yeah, me.
Who hasn't had fruit salad before?
I just cool.
Okay guys, let's check it out. So, we have pretty much everything. I need to get some cantaloupe in there, right?
Yeah.
Just a little piece of cantaloupe. And there we have it. So far we have the fruit. But how do we know it's a salad? It's something that's mixed together. That's why we have this magic salad stuff. The salad stuff.
You gonna eat it?
It's kind of like yogurt. So we put that in there. And now we have just a little bit on top. But let me show you the final trick. Are you ready?
Yes.
We have to take our